Así con el alcohol. No hubo nadie que me enseñara de...
Just know. I know if you drag Monica. I'll be ready to beat me. Come beat me now, Sister Chester. You don't beat me for social media. Betty, where we are so young, bio. Where me a oya koko, where me a oya mwekia, when we are ya bie. We never we are what do I say so. Why I don't work, why I don't want, why I don't want, emu. Cause I'm a nyae. Emu. We are so young, or mono on one ugly. Definitely not me. The great mommy Monica.
You be mommy for where all those rats today? No, not before where midday. Not before where midday.
Since when you because before we go talk to person, at least make sure say
not before where day.
Because you offend them. As una don't offend me rich. As all of una don't do me rich. I never been in group of where they say I work bilinya wa iwo ma work bilinya wa ne dorigo.
Monica, yeah, me. And this is the last time I'm going to respond to you. Monica, mwenyahu, mwe kukoki nu mwe. One, a keti or a targeti me. Kukoki mwe, shook your mouth, pull your head, uwe tu muhu mwe yayo. You are free. You are free. Mwenyahu mama. Carry on the way you walk carry. I'm not gonna respond to you again. Now, kids, talk as you want talk and change John. And iye egu heme o, ige tu nye hoge. Uma heme nita. Eke to win agbo a eme. Anona whenever you go yo, ina wedi ejo. Uma ho. Uhogi wedi go, ina wedi ejo. I can't even the pity for you. Ina wedi ejo. Now you now dream say Kate won't key. I can't de the middle, can't defend you. Women na a group. And I wanna go no. Put on forehead. When you I know say as you don't say you for whether you forgive Kate or not forgive him, say you don't do him. Say you won't put on forehead. One when you now Kate na be my target. A Kate on me won't you to mama and Kate me her face. Say you want put on me? Ah no. Who go wait him here face with me? No. Lie. Cry. Yours they cry. Why so? But the real doctor just gonna say, Monica they curse you, Monica. Oh where? Okay. I shook mouth for una matter. Na so me no know. A matter where say what I the matter when you even they talk. Now you use your mouth talk everything for social media. Wait adult time a group adult time anywhere. Everybody when you put my social media na home. The group in na tomato where say you hear your matter. Not be you bring and come out. All not like social media. Not alloy. So if you want to cry, who say now we have been an Kate, you see me, I not gonna reply you again. Nika I'll true with Kate. You guys West can you always say. If you want join now, you are very free. Yes, you have. He said me call the one. I know your plan. No, I know your plan. Do it can pay. It they pay you or do where? Say they shall go. You know they mind your business. If you not no, nobody they would mind their business. So I'm not gonna say make you even mind your business. Wow, so you're the cry. You not consign me. Well, wow, so I just want to say not consign me. So because I don't know. Now say me go can the you can they pull mat. You can you feel pull mat. Of course you can pull your mat. You prefer to pull your mat before in when railway arrive. When I went, of course. And everything we yes, not true. Everything with the social media now. If you like, you pull your mat. Yes, you can pull your mat. You say I can't they warn you now they prepare you for body. Yes. Based on say, I know what may distract me for now. Monica, yeah, I'm ya be where I want you put it for corner where you belong. Where corner? They corner. Where corner? Me I bidding for them. Where corner? Or we don't want my daughters. You know the munya one. Now lie okay. Okay. Not be lie. Oh change oh. Oh my change oh. You believe say may you believe what's my fucking business? Now because of you, they do my video. Say me Monica like what they concern me concern you and say me you can't believe. Like are you okay? Are you okay? I say may you believe. I say now because of another day they do the video say may she believe. Say if she say she know they believe. Monica, believe whatever you want to believe. And me too, I believe whatever I want to believe that is on social media. That is your headache. Based on where? Again, the time when you never, because of when we gwale a Kate, you want to talk one thing. You say Kate better pass me. You better pass me. How? You better pass me. Say carry belle. Or you both the fuck and join the belle before she come out, go give black. Me warn me, I not go do that one. Equipment or me wa mweko mo no wa mweko mo ba hia we. Na go fuck another person no go fuck my belly. Fuck my pikin a one no that one a wow. And beside that now the same time me and Katie will come Europe. Eri waje wani o wa na we bo for 20 years. Wa do aye better man no la we bo we no de. Na so na biose na na say you why. Cause you na 20 years. Kate is going to 20 years. Kate better pass. That word then. Una know the shame. Like, are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? Una know the shame. Because that word is so irritating. How can you? Everybody knows if now true now. Everybody. I don't even send Amo. If she want to put, me she talk Monica. It won't no go yo. We want money. We want money as they release them. When you what is there, we money. Yes, so everybody not believe yeah na. Or when you hear money, Monica, even want money. Me, I no go even reply you again. Make reply where? A Kate na shower na doctors. We no you wa me that we why ya we money we are been never do. He can't pay. Wake it man. Nothing when you will talk. Based on what waka like we born and nothing be the no date. Nothing when you won't talk when you won't even pay me for body. Nothing. Nothing because do we mama with 20-something years we bo. And we not know that so we not see that one. Wa bole. All your followers, all of them not be asha. We already know. What way? You say you won't see me for my house. Why me worry? Money. Why me next week? Okay, I'm going home next week. I don't find the sugar daddy when I won't find. Oh, Muji, my love, where have you been? Oh my God, I'm so happy to see you. You'll see me for my house. Why me? So, I didn't know I was so one. Isn't that because driver license me con no money. If I have lied, say me I not be like now when they lie because no, not because driver license. How much for driver license? But no it operation maybe almost 10,000. Everything pay driver license. No. Like really, because driver license is very only have a problem. Oh, very man, you know how pay. Yeah, because my driver license. You know, the driver license maybe the watch when you have any license even. If you're jove no. Now my total one, now my driver license too. Or who wait for how many years in a ume. Thank God for UK now. Okay, now you will still get. I don't know if you will get. Ina rude driver license, ina rude anything. Well, when you no problem, no problem. Money, munyahu. Where munyahu? Oh my people, where are my lovers? Where are my people? Munyahu, yeah, joy, mama. Where? Not be me go tell you as you want to talk put. Okay, I agree. I'm a otwin. Adulterous ashiewone no more cover. Oh no, no be say na tell me tell you. Confirm. Ona mweko we ebu neketi eketekia. I'm not jahemi. Because when you make boy now you say you dey cry put say the time when you dey do e good. I will let you cry put. I ask egbe no wa because only ye da. You go by the to say no dey pain you. If the egbe we do boy by or we dey niata. No. I will kade. When you make better. I know say you dey fan apology. Yeah, apology ni ohun wuji. And I know they hold you apology. Even where wa. Uwe sisi megin yege keti. Ori ike. What's a man? Uwa gwa la ko beni ya when rita wo woke. Uwa gwa lo you dey find na. And I know how you are. You only. Oh, I only know what we only money. If na that one you are your die put. Yeah, go know what we also when I'm with Beya Yemina. You see, for that one, I swear, Makashuku. I swear. He pay now. Since when I say Rita. Oh, yeah, no, that Rita do video. That Rita could say, I don't know the reason. And money we sissy. It talking for year or I for plan because I be the plan just now. He say, since me can know say no be she there under my page. He me aya he ave ambroba ave minana. Sheke tokpa mano. Sheke to ya eke. All those ave gbomo nu vio yo. Iya Mario boyo. Me can know now say she not there behind my page when it come dey fall. Why me never apologize? Oh, you want to wake back? Oh now na this one make can dey enter. You don't talk and finish. Now make me talk say I not gonna reply you again. I don't know what they pay you. Hear me not done because the when we are dying or die or you can't apology. Monica, apology no we are more ya. Or we waiting your own me do our video. Now case na me face now. Do that video do no. Agbera iwane. No, heaven where ya well. Don't pass there. Nothing can no you go there. No. Lie. You hear me no the apology no ga. Me I even hold you apology to even start with. I hold you. Memo where now you they will hold me apology. Now you they hold me. Now you. Eketi ni agbe di name. Oh we agbe. Eketi ni eketi work be now. Now this video that you did today. How many hours ago? 5 hours. Make me to believe that every day keto me maybe order. And money. Tell me another thing. Beg me. We Sarah. Uti anyway so we Sarah T bros. Do the apology. Uti say because if apology you need them what begging me. Imi we Sarah laori me. Money. Oh nyanye gbe oti ebo mayo de look. Oh God. Money the fine girl. Money, na I know what they pay you. Dedicate a man, don't be a rude dog or no. Ni me ya I now know why Rita the video. Rita nowhere. Why Rita they thought this and say, nah, I know. You say when me tell and say, okay, for that one, oh, what alone what you need. I know they owe you. No. He say why I suppose give Rita. You and Rita they do competition. Every Rita with competition and be you and one like a kid to have a competition. No, so not like competition. Sarah cry blood. No, Go tell Monica me cry blood, not be me. I hear the watch the video, I hear they laugh. And now when they don't give, say I not gonna reply line again. When not going the Monica, whenever doing why I go yo. Nah. Anytime you had this go can you had this connected she faculty okay? Wa go yo mama valor. Money, valor. Me that better no. Me time where Monica talking like this. Monica, why you? No. No, money, you like apology. Monica, you an apology. Una get any connection? Una get any banamish? Arab people will say banamish. Arab people will say banamish. Una get anything you wanna do? You call this apology. He says since when me don't know nothing not be hit dey my page when it can't they do. Without me, you never see reach the time. We are not why you dey force apology? Of a truth, Rita not force apology. We are not force say here because even the case way anyway, what force say? If I won't give you apology, money, who get call your mere? We know you na call your mere. Oh my, oh, Katie, we know you na me. I dey apology no man. Who gave a Korean and even way, I know they hold you. I got force because even I force we are forcing me like I force me with me. Who Sister Sarah T Bros the apology me go me and who tell the reason you are go. Eh? Your pain na mo. EJ. When I Rita do that video that day, I not watch that place. I find that place when he for real talk and when he say when it come they talk say she can't they cry for the apology. And money no say why me the verse for her. Now she fe carry money. I tell matter. Say I even shook mouth for that your una this thing. Money, talk truth. If you read talk truth, see, if you talk truth, me and you can never be friends. Never. Choose, I know, I be use and dump. Anyhow when you talk, no problem, I accept. If you feel talk truth, say now you fair carry my video, go Instagram, go they curse me. Una temata. Even before I start to the now when maybe I shook him at money, truth. Then when I call you for Instagram. Before that day, you never say I don't do video talk to you. This one and the plain truth. So you see why I say I no hold you apology. If now me your first start to the chook mouth or they talk to you, in the real sense now you hold me apology. Money. I know why. I know what I talk. Forget all those when they crazy, they mad. Hey, you know where he be the user they don't pan. I hear, I accept. You were the first, the video when I talk about this, my family something. When you the talk not say family use me. Yes, family use me. I no regret them. Even a family when we na we ma uni only a problem. I accept. I move on. You carry the video, you carry and go Instagram. No, you tear bomb. You can't they change and you say, I remember everything when you talk. If they don't frustrate, if they don't do this, they can't say na person do them. Una give video, una pay video. You remember? Now from there, now because that time we never know say una quarrel don't start. From there. That's when I call a boss. And have a few New York. So we are tier bomb money. Una tier bomb. And some make be. You know why? You make a few before that one. I'm 100% sure. I know the whole apology. I know they give any apology because you know they find now. Oh, what apology? Must you beg for it? Wega ika me where if you need them so badly. Money, Guaya. You say no be me want tell you as you want to talk for this matter. I hear when you want to time away now. You can say anything. Money, you are very free. The person in my voice not then in my voice. Ni wa face wa gbina now. We gbina now and it clear to me now say no be say you dey fight for her. You dey cry for your own say I talk to you. Or clear ne. It clear, it's so clear now. Every the way me who we water let me have a video now. Who are water go straight. Just say she will. Now she dey talk for this video say whether me do apologize to her. Or he pretend they real. Or he like apology. Money and apology na 5 and 6. Or we time no we ata Iyeki. I don't need them. No matter someone about we yawu. You say you don't need them. Your man go talk one. Your man go talk one we na here. You don't need them. And you dey talk for here and say whether I don't give you apology. What time? Me I play the video.
But we got Roy, mammy, new way.
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't bother.
Yeah.
Concern a page where it's sorry.
You hear her?
You
You hear her? For that one way they talk. Now a man go tell say I don't need that. Where te sorry? Where we need te sorry ba? We are we need type ba? We are not going to apology by all means for every corner. Why you define my apology? You know why I say I know they hold you. I know the reason why I say I know they hold your apology. Or guy mo kafi pay me we okpa ya na rinu. That way or come with video una mo Instagram. And what I is left for you. Is left for you. And you stay your if you like you put your mouth for the matter. If not anybody will put your mouth, make you put your mouth. I don't care. Okay? Emi, apologize retard, Emi. Wait, she dey say she not get hand. Na Kate. Kate ga aroto to, Kate na ga ta win you know. Ona ga ta where. Na Kate because to say na you and your husband na dey do. You know since when I don't figure out now say na Kate and Aboki useless husband. So who ya ta make Kate not the great apology of you know. Not the great of you know, Mr. My sister. Money gwan yo. Valo when you don't time away when no. Oh no ni what you expecting no. Agbera wan. Yes, when you fall for my trap, you don't fall. Money. They are your tired. They say they beg for apology, my sister. You hear them for you. You say whether I don't tell them sorry. I just they say they beg for apology. And Monica will go apology here everywhere. You saloboa. Small time now, he say na the one because he Kate can't give an apology. Now me no. And now you say they find my own. Need do the apology no. La iri no ogoni. So I don't know what they make you the cry now. E wa ni me na we ogyo fu e. Ogyo wa fu we. Mary apology no way. Mary apology no way. The person when I not see, when I not really see, because we're going to be saying the truth the way it is. You, I catch you, and I call you for the video for Instagram. I go carry the video, I go get the video. You could they cost me for Instagram. I go carry the video that time. Before I can call you where? My sister, one not here, boy. Before you come, they form advice. You remember? The person when me really know of a truth say, I not see say if you insult me, na be lolo. Because I want to tell my the way no je. And if he pay you, you are your own. We may be lolo do I not see him, but I see your own. Say before I come they shook mouth for you, as when you do. Because before me shook mouth for your own, I see say you cost me first for Instagram, Monica. Money. The person when I see say okay, because say the matter can't jam una too. When I thought to, okay, I can't vex for and later based on so kind thing when okay, he record, he no record, all those things. Now be lolo. And maybe lolo will say come and talk, say she no fair do video insult me. And I not see him. Cause they thought where I'm you. Oh, wait, me were red down dead. I catch you at the art. In una te video memu. Una mo Instagram. After I all do my family video, I say, yes, now they talk say they frustrate me, they use me. Yes. Ima deny. Now so family not use you. Because when mama work bia, won't be a no una. Even if na small thing, yes, I say give. The truth is that Lolo I never. Now they talk, so I say I don't see Lolo. Say if I won't even apologize for person, say enough first insult me. Say I talk for a matter and I be Lolo. And note it. I not define Lolo, I not define French, I not define anybody friendship. And I go do video for this one. I don't know when I go do video. I go apologize to Lolo. Monica, when me apologize me? Where is it so? I don't want to do it for you because I don't bring my face. Let tell the truth the way it is. If I do video again, because I need to say the way it is. I don't see any video when Lolo Fete cost me. Because I want to when I tie. And me, for that, I will apologize to Lolo. Say, I can't, I can't shoot my, I can't, based on, and the thing one who can't talk now about Facebook. Money. Where you because now you first find me. What ya my video when you had but maybe. Leave on. If you apologize to Lolo, some people will faint too. Make them faint now. But let's just be saying the truth the way it is. I go do if I do video, if I won't do video next time, yes, I will apologize to Lolo. Because you see, I can't shook mouth for matter, shook mouth for this one, they can't do that one. Yes, before I shook mouth for your own, now if I shook mouth for my own from the very first beginning, because I cash you red and then you remember money. Before I call you for that live video, you gotta get when Instagram. You can't curse me, you can't curse my enemy. You not pity for me, oh. I talk my life story. Yes, I can't talk my life story. Talk everything, and I first tell you before. I give you the matter. Una you have valor, remember? Now you say me. I know how you. I know how you up. If I can't talk for your matter later, yes, I have the right also because now you first talk for my own. So if you they cry, money, shook man for this matter when they ground, you are your own. It like apology, eh? Money to like apology, oh. In an apology now, 5 and 6. No, the next video, nah, let's just say the way it is. The next video, I'm going to apologize to Lolo. Yes. And note it. And Lolo see talking. I apologize, not me say, me and now, no. Now, as I say that everybody, anywhere when I like, I watch, I comment, I do anything. I know there anybody's side. I know there any group. I know there anywhere. If I know say if I say do other apology, they'll come say na lot of group is there. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I will apologize for Lolo for insulting, for even doing an insult word or everything because I not see video when Lolo first. Truth must be said. Because this time is going to be truth and truth alone. And money, you know what I'm saying? That is truth as well. So now you first shook mouth for my own from the beginning. You can't see shook mouth for my own. I can't see talk to you. I can't do it, you know. So I know how you apology. I will say as you see be now because me, matter. I dey talk truth. I just talk and say, na when I go there na tell matter. If I say me, I see look money not first, you know, that's why I tell they do my thing. When I go now, because I want to talk for lolo. Now when I go there na tell matter. A lolo ma, me video ne lolo kaya tie bombe. Emmanuel, but all where he move. Be like we person for the TV, you can't cash him. He move red-handed. So mega he move where he may not go where me not even yagu where the way so bad. I can't give you apology on top. Never. Ogoni, your cancel my apology come for your heart. Shook mat for inside this skate matter and this one with the ground. Shook mat. I say now when what I'm I not want to say you again. Shook mat do the way you won't do. For the apology, you email way and I know they give campaign. So shook man do the way you won't do, you are free. I'm not gonna shut up. You won't shut my mouth. You will cry blood. I will apologize to Lolo for talking to our children or anything. No verse. Apology. Apology you turn to this for some people body. And apology now because for me, I don't even care. But if you give me apology or not give me, like you know they put something, you know they remove, you know. If Lolo do video when she insult me, maybe I for see him or make una bring a call for me and I not see him because I wish he did me am you when he alele ya I know bisa take cash money ka. Area money. Area money. Now today, now she define my apology. Hey, have you say sorry? All those rats go come here. She not need your apology. But see, now 5 hours ago, 5 hours. See, 5 hours ago, oh, you your apology. And my own, you know, if you deserve one. Ah, wow. Now what person deserve? A lot of deserve for him now. Rita deserve. If a pass, I thought a part deserve. He short any other person what any other money. He short I will give everybody a holiday for this social media. Money. money. Lolo did not so yes. Before you talk, and not be me they talk and so not be how they talk. So say I when I go then I tell matter I not see him. Not beside they find I know say this one when they do now they'll say you they find lot of friendship like are you for real? I don't need it. I don't need it. I'll you give even Rita when I give them so okay everybody go now for you to do things clear and the idiot their daughters actually also that make it now face personally no go Iyeki page me no go agbe me I dey tell myself the truth oh I dey tell myself the truth say wait if you come to think of it I not see Lolo first insult me okay say because waiting the social media and I do attack and I can't taste on okay far. Now I go apologize. Yes. And first, if don't be saying na inside like now this side for the do say I said look this one video. Because they read and say money they cause you for that side doing when they can again, you know. Yes, because sometimes all those writers they lie. And now okay, let me go and confirm first. Now I really can't confirm. Oh, what so see, and I can't behind all the insults, behind everything, I can't see waiting the pain and apology. Forget all those see way they talk. I apologize when I all give Rita. Area so like a pawpaw. Now so some people like a pawpaw apology. Monica with apology. Now be 5 and 6 so a user drag or get una drag a ketinari or ye now be you won't come by heart for under that one. They can say you they shook your man so that whether me or consi give you apology you lie. Eva nuna jam me rock moi. I know now because of you are talking that day now. I know say now you now Lolo, very sorry. The go if I tell you anything, I will do video again. Yeah, because I don't see video. Emmanuel, who see the video when be say Monica, when aproko carry early last year, when Aproko carry and say Monica they advise it to her Sarah for phone. Now that video. Yeah?
You buy cigarette?
Yes. Wait. Oh.
No. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Don't consider video when Aproko come they say Sarah is online with Monica, the advice. Now that video, and I can't tell Aproko, I say, Aproko, you not carry this video from the beginning. Who seen at that time? When I can't call Monica for. Now Instagram, now that video be. Instagram, now that video be. That was the video. I got to Aproko, I said, Aproko, you not carry this video from the beginning. The beginning when Monica come they curse me. They don't frustrate. Now that time, because they use it that they talk to Lolo. Now later I can't understand. What to make you feel say I call for the video? I can't call her nowhere. Money, now me oh. Then she can't form advice. But at first, when she can't they curse me for that video, she no advice. She no cut the video. Why they go no money. You jam rock. That one way they tell say, hey, you go come they do video. Come they no. Talk anything you want to talk for the video. I know how you again. And I not tell you how you want to talk for the video again, yeah? Now so you do it. You do and you can't go let her apologize by force apology. I don't do that. You see, I see come out from my mind, so you know what we na okay. Now so apology take the good. I by force say I see it. Say yes of a truth. I not see video when. I not see video when Lolo Tefe insults me. So for that, make I will give her. A lot of matter now. Now if I talk, I not mean the talk now. Area ya me apology. Oh, buy for say. Oh, buy for say. It's not good. Emma. I want marry Facebook, leave on. No, you know, say they do video yours now. They come they write and say, money, they cost you for that side, do money. And I walk in, not be now they watch the video, not walking in. Now, because I want this video again. Because in I walking, me, I never fair talk. Me, I fair go watch the video first. So, I don't see video when Lolo first they cost me. So for that simple reason, I will give Lolo apology. I will do video. And I'll do the video. I'll give an apology. So for you, money. Mini. Wow, so okay, then way you are so bad, you apology wa gbu we ya so bo na anya regbe. Okay, we te we mi adale we nya regbe. Wo nya regbe na. Na you de nya regbe o. Na you de nya regbe na ya nya regbe. You should talk for the video. You say she go do me go come. No, nya regbe wa you wonu we my mume. You wonu we my dem mume. No, I don't true with you. I'm done. If you want go cry, and if I give a lot of apology, you won't cry. Put eketi ne nu hu don ni wa bo ala egbe wa gbon ekete kia. The real nazi wa boyo egbe no na sun wo wa gbon. I no hate you, and even money, I no hate you. I no hold you apology. I don't hate you. Because if I even hate you to the extent, ekete hate you where? He said me you know say this Monica they lie. My people, when I talk that thing, when I talk say when Kate say she don't go do something, say she can't come make I put money. She I tell una say I say I know they put my money. Monica say me can't go put money join where they for 1 kilo. Would they get no talk here now only the truth. If now feel the truth, like sometimes even if the truth it go hurt you. You're talking like the truth of lolo na. Yes, of a truth. I don't see where she. Yeah, you say it. Agboe by. You they say she can't put money. Mary go buy. You marry go buy. Maybe I'll say no man agba. Even if I wicked, but again and agbo ma wani. Mero uwu who is snake. When no one snake is say you get 7 snake, you can't sleep. When no one say, Uma when you are more you will see the use yourself, they compare me. You how many years you there for Europe? That's why I not go even talk to you. Now so okay, better pass. You know years when get to you, but you know where J. If person when me and I enter Europe the same time, they talk how they hear. If you like, tell say okay, better pass me. Of course, if not better pass me, I know I will know where we bo. Or marable, I can get in a marable. Mero kada. The year to iji me my wo again. When year get in marable. Mena do na do leg na do lemina ike do lag we bo na do marable de no him. Money I love ye. I so do. I know they marry die. Me marry. Yawu. Eketi Ierokada viketi marriable. When oro I let go know how many years I did the time when you did Europe. Kate better pass you. You know kun weladin. Ime na mase Kate. Where Kate you get all war we bo. The one way they would tell us now say even better. Say he born for 2 born for year. He get waiting he gets. He get docu okay. She get passport no man. I if come Europe. Omo have a passport. They again na. After many years they gonna have a passport. Omo na have a driver license. Me no me be. Omo ni dog basha we am driver license. Driver license we. Omo we basha we be ni be am driver license. Provided now something good for me. Omo can we. At least, he might have 20 years and then he came driver license. Yes. You say you won't see me for my house. No worry, you'll see me for us next week. I beg, I know your fish shot. Why here would do? If Basha will for why worry? I read you what? If Basha will friend that will really why he can't pay. Okay, apology no what man. Or may say no Yahweh sorry. Only war. Money. Eddie Murphy, sorry. Even me have a apology. The feeling is deep. Where? Oh Jesus! The feeling is deep in it. It might be hate, but none in our lazy, none of our new why problem my voice. I go even give the feeling is so deep and deeper. On night come to worse. What we? Hey yeah. It sure both people when we never concern themselves. I'm glad this. Me and I never even get it anyway. Who again? You're the iyore. Me iyore. I say you have your name. That way. That apology when you they beg the need done. And I know how you. I know how you apology, Monica. That's why they remind you now. Say you remember. Monica, no apology, huh? Person when he fair insult me, now she will apologize to me, but I don't need them. I know me, I not get this apology do. Apology not be even food. What you won't give me? What you won't remove? Monica, money. What apology they give you? Cause the way you take the desperate. Area viele leki ya na wa visan like odwa ike wetin dey hard to your life. Ubi mommy bi. That one where they do evil for them. Evil gone in our toto. Esther. Yes. Your shorts are your oh here. That was your here fair. But you see money. Oh, cause when if you not feel my big, if you feel my big, you come and say, but all see you work, but what do I get? Apology, you an apology. All the rest of you now, every other people, why they go? I'll do video. Pray me I get chance tomorrow. I'll do video. I will give. No. No. I see video when Monica Conte they design me for Instagram. After I talk my pain, okay, I was yes. Monica na de gbe movie a live video of Instagram. Come they nyanga me for this. Me give Monica. Now you go give me apology. Because now after that video, after you do and finish, now I call the entire matter. Now I call the shookman for your own matter. Yes. And you know that's the truth. Imam yoge lolo. Iwa fi pe yoge lolo Imam yoge also ni hana the apology ni lolo. E want amawe na tie. Truth no say me they not talking. God in heaven this night they do the dark. Truth no say me they not talking. Imu red-handed. You can't say whether me don't tell you sorry. Umyo all like work bo. Or work bo we Kenyan ke. Even the feeling is deep. Say we are true with on in a even the feeling is deep. You have a me apology where. Awa. No be small. The video when she all do this, your show say she dey beg put. Why would you be begging for it? Who get Korean one? No ve Korean one say for every man. And if you don't like that, say you apologize for me. If I apologize to you, okay. Say sorry. I've never apologized to Lolo before. And I know fully well if I check my mind, check and everything, say okay. Now me talk to Lolo, when Lolo no, I don't see the way Lolo talk to me. I go, you know, I go apologize to her. Yes. You they talk about page. When me can't know say that they fall my page, why not go apologize to you? Before my page, before the page has to they fall, not be you fair cost me. That's your problem. You think they forget body. You don't forget this Instagram video. You don't forget this Instagram video when you fair do to me. The day I did in my video, I talk about my life story. The next morning, or you know why live Instagram? Now you see you they play my video, they nyaga me for there. You forgot. Tell yourself the truth now. Then they say me can't give you apology. Iyeki work bone. No, nobody they fear anybody. And if you like, now make me the talk and I say, make we all open now. The people when I read the whole one, I say okay, I will give apology. Lolo number one. I talk about that when you be saying no be. Are you alright, mom? I'm not right. Listen for you. You they beg for apology up and down. So apology. What do they wear? Back bum. Naga say naga van. Now me you get 7 head and when you all because of apology for the video. Now say me I can't laugh me I can't do this short video for you. So all this was because of apology. May apology when you don't even deserve. You don't even deserve it. And you know it. You don't deserve it. Sweetie. Mimi. Bolo, error. See, read my lips. I will do video again. I will do video again. Make I show my face. Bolo. You say you can't do there because I say me she not talk. Me she not talk. Monica talk anything we want talk for the video. Analyze and talk on nyagan. Or find the person when I will not den in my way or den in my way that adulterous ashewu. no mwe ko we bo na mo arie she bo na we ba ko wa afi anyhow we ho ya afi wo de gbedo anya gegbe be dia na no amakosa ni me ko o ino yo kosa mi kosa you anya ran de gbedo avan no mo afiara who I tell you now say do the way you do I not go answer you. You can't pay me. I give you answer. You be say me I call the answer you make no because now apology they pay you. You answer well you can't pay. I not gonna answer. You not the na way. I can't listen to the video. I can't na way. Oh me no de Monica. You get what they pay. I can't. Ori whatever. In a way, banka. The pain is real. The pain is so real. The pain of apology is the beginning of wisdom. The pain of not giving apology is the beginning of Sarah apology. He turned this thing for me and you now apology can't pain. He was in a Rita very sorry, my lady. And then people you can crease up and down. You can shoot. Now I know why you say you shoot man for the video. What I since na we are what tanya. It may go work one. That work. That me kind. You work out on now. Me I for never tell you want to shoot man for the for my video. No, you free shoot man, Monica. You are free. See, you are so fucking free. You are free. A kid no dana she a adulterous. A lesbian. Oh not what media. Since me can know say na Kate na dey under, why me not give you apology? How they give you? Na you dey hold me. Here anyway. Bolo for you. Cause since apology me no real way. No. The apology no na because apology ya muya ye ototu wewe. Ototu wewe seke ototu Monica seke tila eji o ikwa wa gwewe ototu wewe seke tila eji otote etu wewe seketi ekete kia ose bo waji me la totu eni awano over my dead body ototu wewe uno no yototo na go say we go enter there. Me wegi me veketi no ya lato tu we abie ide na skata o na all those aviele le kiave amiani mi no na no ya kana toto na go say we go enter there o ga toto we acid acid we yaku o na acid no yama eje you don't see acid for life before. Ototu wewe seketi la eji o ifwan wa gwewe. When you are le, me that they use speed they enter your down of toto. I be if my pikin. No, you know be your pikin for inside. I say una be gwalo. If I be your pikin, if I be your pikin, why you dey find apology? Where no if you were was here. You dey find someone you want to put on that day. When we not even know ototu weje. We wagi me. You know as your toto be. Money, make the reasons for kind thing now. You know say me. And beside that, you don't even deserve one. No, they talk truth. I will apologize to Lolo. What wait and the Lolo Marvin no. Now this video for the talk now okay. Because of your this video when you do. And I went out door I not see the video when Lolo talk to me. So I will give Lolo. Yeah, worry any Lolo. Only mama ni way. They tell Lolo no na. He walk it talk while on no viol you know. A Lolo mama no. Lolo not even know whether they do this video now. She not even know. Now because of this your video, now I can go realize say okay Lolo, if anybody deserve na Lolo. Who put red there for my come God punish? The man those idiots, they will all they cry everywhere. I don't know what they make them they cry. Everywhere and I was so Yo, they find apology everywhere. Like, are you for real? Yeah, go le ba viele le kia wo do ya ni viele le kia we. Those ones. Hey. You want kon de nyage gbe. Na so I get 7 head. I be snake. Who when I get snake? When me agbo ya phone na social media na. La wa and tas. When the who we je who we no na we Iyeki. Ogu wo we to we am me so in. If you never swallow them, it be snake. Umaya love Iyeki. I bear la one by with them. You touch your top your was over. That your mother fan apology so. Shall you hear the video when I play? May I play and again? Make you
the Christian, you want to tell me where I want join? I be baby, you just say I be like you user. You whether they use up and down,
yeah.
you and your sister.
No problem with
you. Okay, but why do I so?
When now we do I apology? And when you make at you where we munya hu, cause you talk my matter money mimi. I got when my vado of your boy born in my vein you will fit to say na me fe put man for your matter. You will feel swear say na me fe curse you. And I get when I do go then I tell matter make we really talk as it be. Forget the hatred or anything. Put it aside. Can you swear that you deserve my apology? No. So so if I can't talk to you later, now what you call? You make the call. You make the call. So if I can't talk to you, you make the call. I wish I felt watch the video today. Maybe I know me what the apology ni lolo. Because you wa vibrate in a way mimi. Now mimi be that I be na who na okay I will go wash am. Mimi be vibrate with door. When waiting doing what where? Yeah, this everything when you talk not relevant. It's not relevant. But they will not do well. We are but no tie. They do work at time. Yeah, time when we go yo. No, I for not tell you say me not to put. Monica talk put. Me give you answer we. Now me no go answer you again. You no. Cannot be you are David the answer self. Na keta David the talk to. Everywhere me ma go few New York. So where any time when we have few New York here. Okay. I accept. Monica. Mimi, if you know your when I you know your. If you know your when I you know your. If I talk to your son, now you fair talk to me. If you apologize to me, if you even need my apology, now you will fair apologize to me. You know when they talk say sorry, you say sorry. And now you will fair tell me sorry. You go say sorry, I for not even talk your matter. Now you will fair talk. If you not talking, you see, when I forget you do me now, I do you. Man, not the verse. But if you say you do me, say I know if you do it, then I problem this. So if you do me, I can't do you anything I won't do you. I can't talk to anybody when I want to talk to. Who swallow because now you find trouble. Now you make the call. A lot of my women, you might make video a lot of ya women, no ya tie bomb, no ya katie bomb. I am not tie boy. If they put you for granted, they will say, say I can't swear. Now you say na lot of it cost you. Yet is very because I made the video and me time ni ho we no get ye na o see. What we yan bo na we do go buy or tamame and the man go me buy here the boy voin. Una we change where in my coco I do a meeting and now we ma change it no problem but me I know waiting our office swear put. If they tell me now say can't swear. Lolo, you and Lolo who fair I know office swear. Because the proof is not there. I not see the video when Lolo Tefe cost me. They're not sharing like before. Yes, I not see them. And matter. Yeah, sometimes the truth will be bitter, but you just have to say it. Just say it and shame the devil. But oh, where gweta. If they ask you, I know how many times, your caller, those caller don't ask you, say, what you really do this, Sarah? You'll say, I be mad, I be this. They will say, wait till you really do this, Sarah. Where you say, you never, I dey expect say you go talk, say, you carry a video, go the course and for Instagram. But I've never heard you say it. Now today you are looking for my apology. Read my lips. Since we matter, even if the truth they bitter, so you know go talk. Forget it. Women now man not the verse. So me no way. We wait your body me me nay. Cause my casike we look except who I don't like them way. Before you do that video for Instagram, see the video when Sarah and the date and everything. I know the dates and everything. Even if na Instagram that time. Now only Aproko get the video, but Aproko no go bring her. Now that time, I mean know the video when I do my life story. I know the date. It be like yesterday, I know. So now the next day, now you do me. You feel huh? So I know. Except you bring video say before that date, say I curse you. But if you no bring video say before that date, say before then, say oh me. Before na quarter come they enter before that time when I do I only come for Belgium when I do my true life story video. Ika ari Belgium okay ketina biano. The next day as I reach out the next day now I do. And before then nobody they watch. Now let that video be the first one when we say people come they watch. Now my waist trainer they said before the waist trainer you remember saying a waist trainer they say. So I not talk to you. I all do the video when it go viral. The first video when it go viral for my life story. Not 10 more. Because me and you don't fair talk for inside. I fair give you, we don't fair the talk. You know. You say why I go come out. Now you go tell me when I'll take command. See this one. This is Becky. For real, Monica never talk to you, Sarah. Sarah, the insult may you don't give Sarah. You see your problem. This one when they talk since why home. You know they hear like na be no problem. Why nye ogbe? Why lele Monica? Why nye ogbe? Why hemi? Why it even boy you are? You feel sworn on behalf of Monica. Swear behalf of and swear. No, you ask me stupid question. Swear. You will say, Monica never ever insult me before I talk to her. May you swear. Swear, give yourself, give your asshole, then may you swear for me. I better come out. That's what be no problem. You know, they talk something, they talk and that. I say, now Monica fair find me. You know they hear. Now she very go they insult me for Instagram. Are you not hearing? You deaf? Now lolo, I say you never fair insult me before. Not be Monica, now lolo. So not change. Now lolo never fair insult me. Rubbish. And now she can't say make her not come out because she want you. She first told the story for YouTube. I can't say I won't talk her myself. She can't say make her not because you can't talk for this thing. This guy said come meet me. I advise her. I can't say me because he won't use and tell me money for thank you. Because I gave her money for that video when she do. I can't take cost her before. You might tell Bonnet. So when she just say I come out, I don't feel they do my waist trainer. I come verse. And what it can't even make me vex now because of human trafficking when one of my sister won't put me that time. The thing can't provoke me. I never even intend to even bring my family this thing come out. Now can you provoke me when I come for Belgium? Now you do the video because she what they use and make money. I can't talk on myself. She can't invest. When I tear but no on Instagram. We're turning if you feel talk that 1 hour, I will not say you be woman. If you feel talk and say talk and so you talk and the way you really be, I already know say you be woman, but you can't do it. You can't even say the bitter truth. So, for the apology, when you dey cry, put no ya vanu na mafia ramba. Even ni wado tamo ewe no mia. Fa. I don't need your own. Because if they say me they will talk only to even give person an apology now you. May I remove this your video? I don't listen. Now I don't know what they pay you. Your video not it not pay me. No. Me I don't true with you. Oh nah. If I say I want continue to the talk to Kate, you get to here we are too white. Yeah, I time no when I time. No. You are very free. Even you're not the time where you free. You are free. But for apology, forget it. Forget it. I don't hold you any apology. And if you won't go by, share this video, guys. Share. Why they beg me for apology? Since when you know say you don't come say sorry. So I tell you sorry for what? 5 hours ago now you do the video. Tell you sorry for what? Monica can't tell me what I won't tell you sorry for. Tell me the reason. What do you mean? Why have you apology here? It was here. It apology. I mean apology in nowhere to even start with. You get the food where they give you. Mini. Miao. Ogo niveau. Bolo. Because all you got the apology when they use speed the entire under your because you won't give me. Especially when I know say na you when I know say na me offend you, first offend you. Yes, I will not hesitate to give you the apology. But when you first do me, oh Jesus, now make me the fit they do you. Or say ya ga we Iyeki. We no go na gbeketi ne ke take ya na share wo. If I offend you, I will not like if I realize I will okay, aigbogun I will re-give you. I will say okay, sorry. Yes. Without you even asking for it. Why you need to ask of her? We are not in your head. Even way to even start with. Even way. I know they will hold you to I know they hold you. Oh, one apology. They told me we are how no natamia wumi on marry. Say they cost me. Honor your table. It say any year me know. As far as I say I don't know what they pay you. Only me know. Not today. Now okay. No can you have this in the bag. Why man. They're not down. You won't lie one lie the other day. You can't ask them. Since when you apologize. The saga when they do, we're going to Netherlands. Or not apologize in the here, no bully. All the people when you cause everything. Now when you did Netherlands, you can't. You ask one question. You say, since when you apologize, whether you don't do saga, do another thing again. They can't say no. Because you see all these people are biased. They know they wash you. I remember when you do the apology, then when you were in Netherlands. When you reach UK, when you can't they do this in the bagua. Oh my say UK ne. But your people not remember that one again. Now we see these people. People say they know, but they pretend anyway. We say UK. We say UK ne before now look at the other way. Una de gbe do atun we have bully this in the bagua. You can't they say na baby mama that one na British. Who say UK then no need we casting. Before you see can't do that one. But now Netherlands for apologize. Meaning you apologize. Then when you reach UK, una degbe wove. very sick, because sometimes they say now you they sick. Oh, you are sick, you are frustrated. But you, if you not person will not already the sick, you calculate and say yes, you did apology when you were in Netherlands, but when you come to UK, you do more. So that one uncle, that one no be saga. That one uncle only madeba. Or togi. I better go. How well do? It's short. How